Love that sound. This is a maritime earwig, also called a coastal or seaside earwig. I can't remember. I'll find these near the shore, under debris, sometimes in the splash zone, and around rocks and stuff at the Jersey Shore. They're really cool. I mean, they're much larger than the common earwigs I have back home. And I love those red stripes and the somewhat iridescent sheen to their exoskeleton. For what I know, they could be found all over the place, wherever there's coastline. I want you to know this plant. Okay guys, check this out. This is wax myrtle. Okay, these are as you can tell, these are the fruit, the berries. And on the berries, the white stuff is actually a wax. It's probably an evolved form of pectin. But that's a wax that back in the day was an extremely expensive wax for making candles because people said it was the best wax you can use. And then you take the wax off the fruit and you put the berries, which are hard, in a pepper grinder. And it's supposed to be a great seasoning for your food, a little fruity. And then the leaves are a good pesticide. They're supposed to be really good for keeping away mosquitoes and gnats, and apparently deer flies. And then the root to this plant is amazing. It's supposed to be really good as an antibiotic for making antibiotics. I believe you use the root bark. So check it out. Okay.